The light adjustable lens implant is the only lens implant on the market that is able to be adjusted after it goes inside the eye. So with most lens implants, or really with all other lens implants, we have to do calculations before surgery to try to make a very educated guess, and we have sophisticated software to help us do that, of how this lens is going to sit inside of your particular eye and what is the visual outcome it's going to deliver. But naturally, everybody heals a little bit differently. That lens might sit a fraction of a millimeter forward or a fraction of a millimeter backward compared to where it's calculated, or your eye might be shaped just a little bit different compared to the average eye. So naturally there'll be some variability, which can mean some over or under correction, which can mean more dependence on glasses or contacts afterwards. So the cool thing about the light adjustable lens implant is that there's no guesswork. We put the lens inside the eye, we still do those initial calculations, but then a month after surgery, we get the ability to make 3 additional corrections to the lens after it's inside the eye. We take careful measurements at 1 month after surgery, we see how much correction is left over, and then we get 3 adjustment treatments where we use a sophisticated device, a beam of ultraviolet light that actually reshapes the lens inside your eye to eliminate leftover correction. You can think of it like 3 putts to get the ball right in the hole. And so it really enables us to fine-tune things to make it as precise as possible and to hit your visual targets in the way that you want. So one of the questions that we get is, well, what happens if we don't get right to my visual target with all 3 adjustments? Thankfully, that's rare. Most patients will get to where we want them to be and where they want to be with those 3 adjustments. But in the rare case that some additional correction is left over, maybe you just responded a little bit differently to the treatments than was expected. For most patients, we're able to do a laser vision correction treatment, basically an enhancement with LASIK or PRK, in order to fine-tune and get you where you need to be. And so that's one of the great things about doing this here at Medical Eye Center, where we offer not only the refractive lens exchange, but also laser vision correction. We're able to, combine those 2 technologies and get you to where you need to be.